guys, what is up? It's Andrea and welcome back to another Peachybbies restocking video. So this week, if you guys aren't watching on your phones, first of all, what are you doing? You need to pause this video and watch it on your phone. A lot of these slimes I think look really good stretched, and they just looked better when you got a better close-up of the video. So I'm experimenting with a new video format. Definitely let me know what you think. And if you guys want the shortened version, definitely go check out Peachybbies, the Instagram, because there is an IGTV of just the ASMR for this video. So if you guys love ASMR, you want to rewatch it without me talking through it, then you can definitely go and check that out. But on with the restocked slime. So we actually restocked yesterday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time when we normally restock, but a ton of these slimes still have a few left in stock. So if you see anything you want, you can definitely go click the link down below and you can shop the video. So first of all, we have Galaxy Crisp, and this is our very first full microfloam, you guys. So I haven't done microfloams just because I don't know, Bingsus have been like the thing. Bingsus have been the hype, but I really wanted to bring one into the shop because I personally love the texture of like a full microfloam. It's very soft. It's very relaxing on your hands. It's kind of like a little massage, but like for your hands with the slime. I don't know. It's really good. I recommend trying it if you guys are a fan of like soft crunches. Then we have my favorite slime from this restock, my literal pride and joy, probably the peak of my creative power, is Prizm Clusters. It is a white bingsu, kind of like Fairy Light Crisp, but a lot sparklier. And then on the bottom, it has this cute little pastel prism rainbow you guys get to mix in yourself. So if you're looking for aesthetic slimes, if you're looking for bingsu slimes, if you're looking for just like the best slime ever, I recommend this one. But if you want this one, you should definitely get here really quick because it actually was the best seller yesterday. I have a feeling it's going to be the best seller today. So just a heads up, it is my baby. Next, we have Pina Colada Batter. So Pina Colada Batter is another in the batter series. So these ones are part cloud cream and then part jelly. They mix up into a really soft, really inflating and squishy soft cloud cream texture. And this one is scented like a pina colada cake. So it has hints of pineapple, hints of coconut, and then like a vanilla boxed cake mix. Super yummy. I think the final product, the mixed product, looks really cute in this one. And it's just a really solid, really good batter slime to the shop. Next, we have Wild Berry Puffs. So this one's kind of like a throwback because you guys, if you're OG fans, you know I used to do Wild Berry Pop-Tart Floam a long time ago, and I personally really loved that scent. So there might be some more Wild Berry Pop-Tart stuff coming up in the future of Peachybbies, but this one is a thick and glossy semi-floam, and it's scented exactly like Wild Berry Pop-Tarts. Like the inside, the really fruity bit, smells super delicious, and it's just like an amazing ASMR type slime where you get really good clicks and you get really good bubble pops. And you get really good bubble pops, so I definitely vouch for this one. It's just like a really solid slime, kind of like pina colada batter. Then we have Daisy Scoops. So I don't know if I showed you this one, but last week we had Galaxy Scoops. So that one was like a really pretty pearlized purple icy clear mix, and this one is yellow and clear. So this one, of course, is scented like a flower bomb. It's super florally, really pretty and light and airy. And then it has a yellow glittery clear slime and then a white glittery icy, and you guys get to mix them together. The resulting texture on this one is so soft and creamy. I absolutely loved this one. It inflated a ton. It made some amazing ASMR, and while it was a tiny bit sticky because it was so soft, I was a huge fan of it. And then a few days later, after I filmed this video, it did settle down into a really light icy slime. So I definitely recommend it if you guys love textures like that and just like, you know, cute summer. And then I wanted to show you some of the old slimes that I have brought back to the shop on popular request from you guys. So these are also ones that I feel like I definitely didn't do justice. I didn't film them enough before, and I wanted to let you guys know that they were still there. So this is Boxed Cake Clouds. This is the same idea as Daisy Scoops, except there's more icy, so it's going to turn into a thicker jelly slime. And then this one is inspired by Boxed Cake, so it's got that really nice soft icy on top, some cute little sprinkles, and of course it's scented like the yummiest vanilla boxed cake baking in the oven. It's so good. I love it so much. You guys can tell that I love cake scents. I do them all the time, but that's because they're really good and everybody loves them. Also, this one inflates a ton and it's crazy holdable and a lot more dense, I would say, than Daisy Scoops. So if you guys are looking for something to play with that's not going to stick to anything, or if you have hot hands or you're a beginner slimer, then this is definitely one to try. Then we have some cotton candy dipped cones in stock. So this one is so cute. This one is part clay slime on top. Basically, it is a clear bottom and it has like an iridescent glitter in it that looks like a metallic blue pigment shift. It's really pretty. I love it a lot. It's just like really cute and really feminine and really pastel. And then this one, of course, is scented like cotton candy. This one mixes up into a lighter, fluffier butter slime. So the slime is a bit dense before you mix it, and then you mix it and it's like the perfect texture. You feel? I never describe these well, but you get the gist. If you guys have bought any of these, definitely chime in down below. Let me know what you got, how you liked them, and if I'm explaining these badly, please explain them better for everybody in the back. Okay, thanks. Then we have strawberry batter. So this one you guys really loved the first time I brought it back, and this one you guys really loved the first time I restocked it, and I wanted to bring it back for you guys because I also personally really like it. Strawberry scents I'm just a huge fan of, and this one is scented like exactly like strawberry milk or a strawberry boxed cake. So yummy, really creamy and dense, and just like the best holdable slime for when you want to relax or absentmindedly play with slime. It's just like that kind of slime, you know, and I definitely recommend it. Then we have Carnival candy. I definitely don't think that I showed you guys Carnival candy from last week either, but this is a crunch bomb. So this one is half microfloam and half bingsu. It makes amazing, amazing crunches. Microfloams tend to be a little bit quieter, so they don't have as loud of a sizzle, whereas the bingsu beads, I feel like, add that loud sizzle back in. So having them both in not only makes it a really good holdable slime, but that's also a little bit softer like on your hands, because I know bingsus can be pretty tough, but it's also crazy crunchy. You can inflate it quite a bit. You can get a lot of sizzles and a lot of crunches out of it. And then this one, of course, is scented like cotton candy and carnival corn. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it's super yummy. I love it a lot. And then this one is clear based, of course, so you can see all the cute little glitters and stuff added in. And finally, we have a classic, a favorite, an icon in the shop. I always restock this one. This one is double berry cream. So this one, I added so many sprinkles to this batch. You guys can totally tell this thing is like packed with sprinkles on the bottom. But this one is a super thick and glossy semi-foam. So this one, you get the really nice thwocks and you get the really good bubble crunches from the marshmallow beads. So this one's like a solid classic slime, of course, scented like sweet berries and cotton candy. And that was it for this week's restock. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I'll be down in the comments talking to you guys, so come say hi if you want. That would be cool. Thank you for all your suggestions last week on different videos I should film for this channel. I'm definitely going to do some of those, and I'm really excited to do them. But for this week, let me know if you like this format of video. Should I film more videos in like the Instagram style, or should I go back to regular style? Definitely let me know. Other than that, I love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!